This is a retake. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my very small family. I hope you are here to stay. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time I post. So yeah, let's get into the video. I actually haven't decided whether I want to vlog today or make this like a video, but regardless, I'm set up for a video just in case I don't vlog. Oh, but today's my friend's birthday and I am pulling out a new wig for you guys. This is the hair I used to sell, just so you know. Like, isn't this baby beautiful? Like, yeah, look at the combs. And then of course there's no elastic. This is the hair, you guys. This is the hair. This is the 18-inch 13x4 wig. Jeez, I hope I have time to pluck it. I only have like less than 2 hours to get ready. But yeah, this is the hair. This is how it looks in front. So I'm gonna go ahead and just prep it and then come back. Alright, so I just used this that got to be glued spiking gel. Alright, so now it is okay. This is still a bit wet, but the rest is just tacky. So I'm gonna blow dry the sides a little bit more and then put this on. Helps blend your skin and your wig together, if I can say so. It helps make it the same color, give you that melted lace bowl cap method, you know, wara. So yeah, this is what the purpose of this is. I'm not just doing things jade for the sake of it. Also, when I used to sell hair, right, I would get like the customers who would come and like complain that like their wig doesn't look like mine. I'm like, of course it's not gonna look like mine. You just like literally wore your wig. Like, you didn't customize it, you didn't make it like special. A lot of people would buy the wigs, right, and then take it out and then just put it on. One, yes, my wigs would be washed most of the time, but I like to wash a wig like this one also. I don't wash it because I know like it comes from like the clean factory, no smell, nothing. Anyway, so they would just put on the wig, no flat ironing, nothing, and then they complain that it doesn't look the same. Like, hello, of course it's not gonna, you know. I took some time to make mine look pretty, to make it look more natural. Like, I would bleach the lace for some people also, and then like, still, but again, yeah, in my language, we say I will go give wig uyayithwala khona abantu abayithwalayo ke wig, like yabo mawuthwala iduku vele ufake nje abantu benza njalo. No, ufuna usinike isikhathi and look pretty. You want to look natural, you don't want to look ratchet. Anyway, yeah, so the glue has stuck on. Yeah, it's a little bit further away from my edges, but I also have hair almost so close to my eyebrow, so I put the glue on the hair here. It's not quite dry, so I'm gonna give it time to dry, but it's gonna look like this. Then I'm gonna cut it. Oh no, my hair. Alright. So with the hair put a little bit of mousse just so the baby hairs don't bother me. But it looks like I need to put more water or more mousse, whatever. But Jeez, I wonder if I have time to actually plug the hair some more. I'm excited. Alrighty, let us do this. So I've secured the wigs with the comb, one comb at the back, one comb on each side. So here we go. Actually, I need to go buy a ghost bond glue because I feel like it's gonna work better than this. I feel like it lays better, at least with the videos I've seen. I'm gonna try it. What did it say? Come in. I hear. Sorry, that was my brother. Anyway, I've laid the wig. Jeez, I hope. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut parts that I have already laid. So it's this side, so I'm gonna cut right about here. And you must be super careful with your lace, you know. You don't want to ruin it. Okay, this is right about here. Have mercy. Okay, so this part is laid. Now we're gonna do the sides. Honestly, in the past I would just wear my wigs with some edge glue and then I'll be done. But now I'm actually laying it. I'm laying my hair all. Never before. Let's see how my first time goes. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm confident about this. It's just I know I won't have time to plug it. You know, I wanted to prepare the hair yesterday, but I was like, nah, I want to show everything on the camera. Alright, it has set. And if you feel like your hair hasn't set properly, like this part maybe, so you just put on some glue there. Won't hurt, trust me. A little bit of glue there, and just let it stick. You know, your hair is gonna be stuck on, child. It ain't going nowhere. I'm just gonna go cut these laces and see how they look. Guys, I'm in a rush. I look so funny. The edges are not plugged out fully, but yeah. Anyway, oops. Anyway, I got this comb from Takealot. It was 200 rand and something, 200 rand and something. Anyway, I'm in a rush, y'all. I'm in a rush. Alright, let's see how this looks. I'm not impressed. I need to do my face a little bit on the sides. I washed off the excess glue. Ciao. The hair itself is so good, but I definitely need to pluck it out. The edges are just too thick. Yeah, I'm so late. It's my friend's birthday and I am so late. Guys, I look funny, I know. Don't worry, I'll fix that right now. But yeah, this is how the hair looks. Girl, the hair is so good. I'm not advised. Yeah, I'm not review my hair because I will be biased. The hair is so good. Definitely worth whatever I paid for it. Yeah, this is beautiful. Guys, buy good hair. Invest in good hair. This hair is gonna last me for years. I can tell you that much. You're gonna see. But thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna fix this. Do my lashes. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and come back for the next video. I don't know when it's gonna be, but thank you for watching. I'm gonna fix it.
Oh,